What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back at Copart for another walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, a 2009 Mercury Mariner Hybrid. It says it's a non-runner. You guys know I love the non-runners because I like to come out here and see if I can get them running. Up here it says bad brakes, no start, 167,000 miles on the odometer. Look at these General tires, man. She's got a nice set of tires on her. Huh. Good body. It's not a General over here. Over here we've got the Dextero, but still nice set of tires. This window appears to be stuck down, and the General up here. Good set of tires all the way around. Body looks really good. Let's check out the interior. We'll have to do that from the other side because this is all taped up and I'm not trying to unstick all of that. It's just going to be dead as a doornail as well. Start with the back seat. Leather. Sniff test. Yeah, you know, it's not the greatest, definitely not the worst. I can't see back there, so whatever's back there is back there. Headliner looks good. It's got the sunroof. Looks like she's fairly loaded, guys. She's got some options. All right, seats cracked a little bit, normal for an older vehicle. Looks like she got kind of wet on the inside is what it looks like. It doesn't smell like a flood. I think it may just be from blowing rain and that window being down. Let's put the key in it. Yeah, I knew it was going to be dead. We got to find out for ourselves, though. Let's see if I can squeeze in here. Ooh, look at them subs. Wow. Man, I'd like to get me them. Oh, how much they want for this car? How much they want for this Honda right here? I want it just for that sub box. Okay, let me see if I can. I don't even know if I can get under here, guys. I can't really squeeze in. Great. I don't know where the stupid hood release is, and I'm stuck between this damn Civic over here. Good Lord, have mercy. There it is. I see it. I see it. Did we get it? Did we get it? Nope, we did not. Yeah, this thing has been at another auction. It's got stickers on it. There we go. Let's prop this. Oh, they took the battery. Guys, what's my general rule about cars that have no batteries in them? Yeah, typically, I ain't even gonna bother with them. But I'm gonna give this one an opportunity to prove me wrong. It ain't gonna start. It ain't gonna start. Place your bets. What do you think? Is it gonna start? I'm thinking the listing is accurate on this one, guys. Seems like lately the listings have been a lot more accurate on these things. Let's go ahead and hook up the positive. Let's make sure we keep it away from any metal. And let's fire up the jump pack, see what she wants to do here. Come on, old girl. There we go. And we got power. All right. Ding, ding. What's it going to be? Oh. There's going to be absolutely nothing. Stop safely now. Well, here's a news flash for you, little Mercury. We're not moving. Yeah, there's no brakes. Check engine light is flashing. Air conditioning is on. We don't need none of that. Turn all that off. Yeah, she does nothing. I've seen this before on another one of these. We have seen this before on another one of these Mariners. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Mariners. It does nothing. Nothing at all. Hit the gas pedal. It does not come to life. It's not even trying to start. Let's put it in neutral. Nothing. Huh. Oh, that window's missing. Sounds like. Okay. Damn. Damn. Well, I hate that. I really hate that. I hate when the listings are right, because I thought, man, if we can get this thing to at least try to start, maybe, just maybe, she'd be worth throwing a bid on. Because right now I got nothing. I got nothing to bid on right now. There's nothing that I found that I'm really all that interested in, other than the Corvette from the other day that turned out to be a blessing that somebody outbid me. A true blessing that somebody outbid me. But I will tell you guys this, just because I don't have anything right now that I'm interested in bidding on does not mean we don't have some more cool cars coming to the channel. In fact, there's a Hummer over there. There's a Hummer right there. Huh, interesting. I wonder who that belongs to. That is not a supercharged Hummer. Yes, it sure is. And since we're into boosted stuff, I also have a turbocharged Ford Focus ST on the way. I think it's coming from Maine or Massachusetts or something like that. It'll be here, oh, I don't know. It's going to take a while to get here, but it'll be here soon. I do have cars coming, but for now, let's see what else we can find out here. I got the one for you guys right here. This is the one, I swear, you've all been waiting to see this. A 2009 Kia Rio, baby. I'm not gonna lie, I had one of these. I did, I had one of these back in the day, a long, long time ago. And had a I bought it from an auction that doesn't exist anymore. It's called I-40 Auto Auction in, I think it was in Del City, Oklahoma. Bought one of these, had a manual transmission. It's a great little car, but it just didn't quite run right. I mean, it never did run quite right. Found out someone had put the timing belt on and they missed a couple teeth. No big deal. Timing belt was super easy to do on this car. I popped it off in a matter of, I don't know, a few minutes, maybe an hour or so. Got the teeth lined up, and I'll tell you something, that old girl ran and drove forever. Like, I never had a problem with that car. Now I don't know about these automatic versions. She's dead as a doornail. And the hood prop, or the hood release, is broken. Okay, well, let me climb under here and finagle with it. Let's see if we can get something done with her. I got her did. This one may run, guys. She might. I don't know. We'll find out here in just a minute. Maybe Copart couldn't get that hood open. That was a bear. I'm not gonna lie, especially with no tools. I don't have pliers or anything like that I can come out here and skewer these things on. Huh. This one actually looks like it's a little newer than the one I had. This looks like it's a newer version of the one I had. I could have sworn mine was like an 09, though. I thought it looked fairly similar. Mine was like an ice blue color. It was real pretty color. All right, booster pack time again. Make it or break it. What's it gonna be? This one I think is gonna run. What do you guys think? I think they couldn't get the hood open. Uh-oh. Well, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Look, she's got some nice little Douglas tires. They're in good condition. Interior is, you know, it's pretty filthy, but you got manual locks, manual windows, so less things to worry about having to break on you, right? Let's turn that off. Timing belt. Yeah, it's a snap timing belt. Yep, zero compression. Zero compression. Damn it. Let's see, service was due at 1/29 in October of 2016. Well, I don't have to tell you guys, that's long gone. That was 6 years ago. It was due for service at 1/29. It's got 134 on the odometer. So I'm gonna say she didn't last too long. That time belt broke. I don't believe this is an interference engine, and I'm telling you, this is such an easy timing belt to get to, guys. I can't remember for sure how I did it, and this may be a slightly newer model than the one I had, but yeah, there's spider webs under here. She's been parked a long time. Looks like a little single overhead cam engine. Knowing this though, and I don't believe mine said CVTT or CVVT on it either. I don't think mine had variable valve time, so mine must have been older than this. Maybe mine was like an 04 or something. Maybe this is a is an interference engine. Maybe that's why they ended up giving up on it. Hell, I don't know. You guys comment below. You can tell me if it's an interference engine or not. If not, just throw it. Even if you do have to take the accessories loose and pull the motor out and everything, this is not a hard deal, guys. This is not a hard job. It's really not. And the parts are stupid cheap. You put a time belt on her, assuming it's non-interference, should probably come right back to life. And down the road you go. You have a car that's problem-free for, well, who knows how many miles. Kias weren't exactly the best cars back then, but you know, they were decent. They were decent enough. And I know the tires over here are flat. That one's off the bead. No, it's not. I guarantee you that tire air back up and sold that one. She's just been sitting a long time, guys. She's been sitting a really long time. All right, let's go find the next one. Well, speaking of Kias, how about a newer generation Hyundai Sonata? And the reason I'm showing this one is because I'm a little bit confused as to what happened to this car. She's got a little bit of miles, 130,000 miles on the odometer. She's a 2017 model. Body looks relatively good. She's got some nice Fusion touring tires, good tread, good paint. This thing just looks nice all the way around, but there's a problem. Yeah, airbags are deployed. Huh, they got seat covers. They were taking care of the car. Smells real nice. Look how clean it is. Like somebody was really taking care of this car, at least at one point. I noticed the bumper is out of whack right there. All right, there's a little chip going on, like an impact point down there. Same thing over here, but that could just be a parking curb or something, right? The tabs are completely broken off the bumper on this side. The pins, push pins are missing over there. Crash bar looks all right. Transmission and everything is right there. Looks fine. They had some tape you could see holding the bumper up here. Interesting. Huh, so what happened? What happened? Oh, knee bolster bag is blown too. Seatbelt pretensioner gone as well. Yeah, that was a, that must have been a hell of a hit there. Because she blew everything, guys. She blew everything. Fires right up. Not an issue. I see paint overspray in this fender right here. You see that? There's overspray in there. That's not factory. Also, this connector. This is a rubberized grommet that fits over this whole connector. That shouldn't be like that either unless somebody's been in here. Very interesting. I don't see any damage to the rocker. I don't see any damage to the A pillar or the B pillar. Nothing back here either. Well, considering all the front bags are blown, whatever happened should have happened up front. Let's see if we can pop the hood. Important window work. Yeah. What in the hell happened to this car? It's the only reason I'm showing this car is because I saw the pictures and I was like, wait a minute, it's got blown bags, but I don't see any damage. Doesn't make any sense. Huh. I'm still at a loss. I am. Okay. All the plastics are still intact. Nothing's come apart. There's no wrinkles or deformities in the fender aprons or the frame rails. Same thing over here. Nothing out of the ordinary. Bumper looks like it lines up pretty good. There's a couple plastic tabs missing, the push pins, but nothing too serious. The radiator isn't contorted or misshapen. Everything still looks like it's in place there as well. The body lines look good, aside from that, of course. Well, you got me. This one's got me. Steering? Let's turn the wheels all the way one way. Make sure that all the wheels go where they're supposed to. Brakes feel good. Backwards. forwards and backwards. Yeah, she goes both directions, no issue at all. Huh. That wheel is turned to the right, or to the left, I should say, I'm sorry, and that wheel is also turned to the left. Well, this one's got me, guys. I'm not sure how you blow all the damn airbags in the front without finding any damage to the front, unless it's undercarriage. But if it was undercarriage, you would expect maybe some damage to the transmission, suspension damage. I don't see any of that. I don't see anything going on at all. Let me see if I can get you guys down under here. I don't know, do you guys see anything out of the ordinary? You probably can't see anything. The car's kind of low to the ground. I don't see anything. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm not interested in this car. I'm just not. There's a Golf tee. Comes with it right there in the sun visor. Yeah, I'm not interested in this car. I have no use for a Sonata, at least not at this point, but there it is. Maybe you guys can drop a comment below. Tell me what the hell you think happened to this old girl. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna get out of here. I wanna thank each and every one of you for watching the video. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the content. Consider subscribing to the channel as well. I would truly appreciate it. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.